let's make some ghee today. This process is fairly simple and it starts with butter. I'm using about 400 grams of regular butter, and you want to just put it in a pan and get things boiling away. But don't have your heat up too high, you want to keep it on medium. What we're looking for is some bubbling action, but not too much. Hope that makes sense. Alright, so as your ghee cooks away, or as your butter cooks away, you'll see that some of the milk solids will go to the bottom, and I usually just gently stir this a few times while it bubbles, and you'll also hear a little bit of a popping sound. That's the water that's evaporating. At this point, some people may take it off the heat. I like to keep going until I have smaller bubbles covering the surface, which is there. At that point, take it off your heat and grab a jar that you'll be using and a sieve just to kind of separate any extra milk solids that might still be there, and then pour this beautiful ghee into your jar. You guys, it smells so nice. It's so nutty, very fragrant. That's the milk solid at the bottom. We're not going to be using that, so you can toss that away. And I love adding a tablespoon of ghee to my rice when it's cooking, or also when I make chapatis. I insist this is my secret sauce to good soft chapatis.